जय जगन्नाथ। वेलकम टू प्रभात फिजिक्स 11th क्लास फिजिक्स मोशन इन प्लेन addition of vectors. तो vector means it have both magnitude and direction. A physical quantity which have magnitude and direction. दीटा था जोटी this is vector. तो vector represent करा जाए this is the representation of a vector A B in the indicate the directions. तो addition of vector means we cannot add vector algebraically. Vector can add it geometrically. Vector को algebraically add करि परिबानी 3 4 7 करि परिबानी हमें geometrically add करिबा तो vector addition रो there are two laws. Three law अछि triangle law counting होरे triangle law और parallelogram law एका concept अछि एका result भी एका सब आसीबो तो addition of vector नउछि parallelogram law of vector addition. Parallelogram law of vector addition कंटेंट को कैरी करो बहुत इंपोर्टेंट रिजल्ट भी अच्छी तो सपोज तो दिस इज द पैरेललोग्राम कांसेप्ट कहउची दिस पैरेललोग्राम मींस ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल opposite sides are parallel opposite sides are equal these are the adjacent sides means drawn from a point गोटे point ru drawn है जोटा गोटे point is adjacent sides but drawn from a point the parallel तो law the concept अछि if two vector acting simultaneously at a point represented by two sides of a parallelogram drawn from a point that means that two vector acting to adjacent sides of parallelogram then resultant represented by diagonal of the parallelogram and drawn from that point. Parallelogram having two dimensions, two diagonals. तो जो point रो जिरा vector start होते हैं सही point जो diagonal है तब उसका resultant. Okay? तो content को आगे बढ़ेगा. Suppose this is a vector OP parallelogram करोची this is A vector, this is B vector. The angle between A and B is theta. So this is also B, this is also A. Two sides of parallelogram given out. Two sides of parallelogram drawn from a point. Could I point to it? That means that two vectors represented by the adjacent sides of parallelogram. And according to triangle parallelogram law, the resultant is diagonal. Resultant means this is A plus B. Diagonal of parallelogram drawn from that point. A diagonal होगा नहीं, this is the diagonal drawn from that point. This is the concept. That means A plus B the naming करे OP. This is Q S. Okay. तो simple जब content को carry करीबा OP vector plus PQ vector equal to OQ vector. That means A plus B equal to R. This is the law. Two vectors acting simultaneously at a point which is represented by two sides of parallelogram drawn from a point. Then the resultant represented by diagonal of the parallelogram drawn from that point. So this is B, this is B, this is A, this is B. Prove करना चाहिए the resultant केते आसी. तो कंटेंट को डेवलप कले ड्रॉ करची ड्रॉ QT. Draw QT perpendicular to OP products. OP products. QT perpendicular to draw करा जाइए. Draw QT perpendicular OP products. So this is also theta. This is theta corresponding angle. Okay, ठीक है. A smaller triangle जाउचे small triangle in triangle PQT. Again in triangle PQT. तो sin theta बहुत कोल जाउचे sin theta. एक triangle sin theta आसियो QT by PQ and this QT equal to PQ sin theta and QT equal to B sin theta. QT equal to B sin theta. This QT is B sin theta. Then this by cos theta, the cos theta equal to PT by PQ. So PT equal to PQ cos theta. PT equal to B cos theta. So this is B cos theta. Two side angle base of B cos theta. So this is the resultant. OQ. OQ is the resultant. क्या निकल रहा था? OQ is the resultant. So in triangle OQT, the bigger triangle, Pythagoras theorem, OQ square equal to OT square plus QT square. OQ square equal to OT breakup हो गया OP plus PT square plus QT square. And this OT equal to OP plus PT. Okay. तो आपको एक्सपांड कर परिबा OQ square equal to OP square PT square plus 2 OPPT plus QT square. OQ square equal to OP square plus PT square plus QT square plus 2 OPPT. And this segment PT square and QT square equal to PQ square in small triangle. In triangle PQT, so PQ square equal to PT square plus QT square. And this place of PT square, QT square, we write PQ square. OQ square equal to OP square plus PQ square plus 2 OPPT. So value put कर दो. This is the R square equal to A square plus B square plus 2A and this is B cos theta. And R equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta का root. This is equation 1. And this equation 1 gives the magnitude of resultant. And this equation 1 is magnitude of resultant. Magnitude of resultant. Okay. With the magnitude of resultants, content बुझो. The resultant addition A, R means A plus B. Resultant means A plus B. A plus B equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB plus theta. This is magnitude. Note this point. This is magnitude of vectors. Okay. So direction of resultant. A direction of resultant क्या है भाई? क्या है भाई? Direction of resultant. So direction of resultant means this is direction. Direction of resultant depends on this angle. This angle is beta. This angle is beta. ऐसे अच्छी डायरेक्शन एंगल बीटा चेंज ले एम टच तो डायरेक्ट ये जो resultant the direction of resultant depends on the angle which makes R with A is R of angle अच्छी एंगल चेंज होती एंगल बढ़ती ठीक है तो direction of r depends on beta, बीटा पर डिपेंड করছে অ্যাঙ্গেল এটা। তো বিটা বিটা কেটে আসলো, the beta in triangle OQT tan beta QT by OT, तो tan beta equal QT B sin theta by বা এসে তাও QT by A plus PT, tan beta হচ্ছে QT B sin theta by A plus B cos theta, this is the direction, बहुत important result। तो बीटा इक्वल टू tan inverse B sin theta by A plus B cos theta, this is the direction, okay। तो triangle law there are two results, the resultant means R is this and the direction is tan beta equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta, okay। तो now some special case, okay, special case case 1 ମୁଁ ରିଭର୍ସ ନଉଛି ବୁକ୍ସ ରେ କଣ ଅଛି ଜାଣିନି। case 1 if vector A perpendicular to vector B, two vectors are perpendicular to each other, that means theta equal to 90, तो भाई रिजल्टेंट कौन आसो r equal to केते a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 90 the root, तो cos 90 बेटा 0, तो this term total is 0, cos 90 0, तो a square plus b square plus 0 root a 0 root is a square plus b square root, this is the resultant, this is the resultant when two vectors are perpendicular to each other, this is the result। तो in this case हला the direction कौन आसीबो, direction केते आसीबो, direction of r केते आसीबो tan beta equal to b sin theta by a plus b cos theta, 12 जगह दरकार हबो, सब जगह दरकार हबो बेटा tan beta, तो b sin 90 a plus b cos 0, cos 0 का वैल्यू 1 होता है, cos 30 cos 90 0 का cos 90 90 अच्छे हमारा थीटा, तो cos 90 is 0 sin 90 is 1, sin 90 1 cos 90 0, तो tan beta बेटा b by a this is 0, tan beta is b by a and beta also tan inverse b by a, yes। When two vectors are perpendicular, then resultant is a square plus b square root and the direction is tan beta equal to b by a, your second vector by first vector, okay, the first case। second case तीनटा केस नेबी तापर न्यूमेरिकल जीबी पॉलीगॉनल जीबी, तो केस 2 the great concept, the case 2 if two vectors are parallel beta a vector parallel to b vector, to parallel vector parallel vectors theta beta 0 ए केस रे रिजल्टेंट कोन आसीबो a square b square to ab cos 0 रो root 2 तो cos 0 is 1 cos 0 is 1 तो a square plus b square plus 2ab रो root a square a plus a square plus b square 2ab a plus b रो square root तो a plus b सिंपल एक केस रे we add maximum add है जो suppose this is the bottle यदि आप 5 न्यूटन फोर्स एमती पड़ती और देन 7 न्यूटन फोर्स एमती पड़ती तो नेट फोर्स केता हो 7 plus 5 12 if they are parallel same direction थेबे तो their force add है जो content clear तो in this case the direction केता आसीबो tan beta equal to b sin 0 by a plus b cos 0 तो sin 0 का वैल्यू क्या है 0 है तो टोटल टर्म 0 tan beta equal to 0 तो डायरेक्शन सेम मतलब टू वेक्टर ए दीटा वेक्टर जुआर थबे डायरेक्शन सेम आसीबो डायरेक्शन सेम एज द टू वेक्टर डायरेक्शन सेम एज द टू वेक्टर ए दीटा वेक्टर डायरेक्शन केमतो एमडी सेम अछि तो सेम अछि तो a plus b ର डायरेक्शन इक्वल रिजल्टेंट ର सेम a जुआड़ा अछि b जुआड़ा अछि सेम लेबो सेम एज द डायरेक्शन ओके ठीक अछि केस 3 कैरी करबो केस उडाको if a is here b is opposite okay anti parallel vectors a and b are anti parallel vectors in this case angle theta equal to 180 theta is 180 so resultant are a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 180 का रूट बेटा a square plus b square plus 2ab this is minus 1 का रूट बेटा तो a square plus b square minus 2ab root equal to a minus b रो whole square root equal to a minus b this is minimum this is minimum okay this is minimum content carry करना case 3 okay clear concept next our direction पर आइसो डायरेक्शन ए लोग डायरेक्शन तो tan बीटा इक्वल टू b sin 180 by a plus b cos 180 so this sin 180 0 so answer is 0 tan beta is 0 so direction कौन होगा the direction is bigger one जो है सेट है b यारे और डायरेक्शन टा a माइनस डायरेक्शन पर b यारे ये रिटर्न सेम अछि पड़ गला एटा एटु जगह रे रेड कर दोछि डायरेक्शन टाइमर पर आसीबो एमटी आसीबो b यार पर आसीबो तो r केटा आसीबो b माइनस a यार ओके सपोज ए जो बोतल अछि एपट को 7 न्यूटन फोर्स पड़छि सेपट फोर्स पड़छि 10 न्यूटन तो से 10 न्यूटन फोर्स जो है ए बोतल सेट डिस्प्लेस करिवो तो एंटी पैरेलल केस से द डायरेक्शन ऑफ रिजल्टेंट इज ऑपोजिट टू direction of resultant is same as the bigger one is the same hobo so these are the sub case of vector addition these are the sub case okay तो some numerical jiba very simple कथा vector जो दिरा जो formula कहउजी रे तीनटा केस अछि 12 केस जगह ही केस सब यूज हबो सिंपल क्वेश्चन जाउची Okay. If a vector A equal to and is resultant, तीनों एक होता है. टू इक्वल वेक्टर मैग्नीट्यूड इक्वल अछि এবং देन दिस the resultant equal to r. resultant भी r अछि. A is a vector B equal and resultant equal अछि. Let this is x. Did a vector out of resultants all are equal. What is the angle between them? Find the angle between them. And the angle between A and B. Angle between A and B. The simple concept R equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta ର रूट थला रूट के एपटे आंसर कर देली A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So all are x. X square, x square, x square. 2x into x is x square cos theta. X square 2x square plus 2x square cos theta. 2x square 1 plus cos theta. X square cancel. एपटे आसला हाफ 1 plus cos theta. So cos theta half minus 1. So cos theta this is half minus 1. That means cos theta equal to minus 1. So theta is equal to 120. The value of cos theta is equal to 120. Content carry करो. Two vector and equal to the resultant. So what will be the angle between these vectors? What will be the angle between two vectors? Okay. ठीक है. Now our question जिबा. The last question. Next video रे parallelogram law जिबा, polygon law जिबा और total 10-15 question जिबा. तो ठीक है. This question is two vector p plus q, p minus q. Suppose a गोटे vector अछि p plus q, b vector p minus q. There are two vector a and b, and the resultant is 3p square plus q square root. Two vector p plus q is a vector and p minus q is a vector. P plus q and p minus q are two vector and the resultant is 3p square plus q square. इस दोनों का रिजल्टेंट क्या होता है 3p square plus q square. So then question is find the angle. What the angle between two vector? इस दोनों के बीच में एंगल क्या है? एंगल between question is find angle between p plus q and p minus q. तो p plus q and p minus q के बीच में एंगल क्या होता है? तो सिंपल कंटेंट अच्छी. तो r square equal to करीबी a square plus b square 2ab. r क्या होता है 3p square q square और रूट का स्क्वायर. a क्या होता है p plus q का स्क्वायर. b होता है p minus q का स्क्वायर प्लस 2p plus q p minus q. This is 3p square plus q square root 2 a plus b whole square a minus b whole square 2p square plus q square plus 2 a plus a minus b p square minus q square cos theta. ओके. तो कंटेंट को डेवलप करिवा. 3p square plus q square equal this is 2p square plus 2q square. ओके ठीक अच्छे प्लस 2 होल इंटू p स्क्वायर माइनस q स्क्वायर प्लस थीटा ये सबको एकोर्डिनेट से 3p स्क्वायर माइनस 2p स्क्वायर प्लस q स्क्वायर माइनस 2q स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2p स्क्वायर माइनस q स्क्वायर प्लस थीटा. So this is 3p square minus p square is p square minus this is q square equal to 2p square minus q square cos theta. Okay, the content 2 cos theta is equal to 1, 2 cos theta is equal to 1, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, theta is equal to 60. तो similar questions I mean next video jiba polygon law and some questions. जय जगन्नाथ.